Sheikh, help me. I look at women too much. The Sheikh said it's really simple, but you have to commit to this. Every time you look at a woman, and I don't mean accidental look or like business dealing look where there's no desire involved, but like look. He said every time you look at a woman, pray 2 rak'at. Any time of the day, you look at a woman improper, go pray 2 rak'at. See what's happening now. What's the formula? Why does this work? What is the bigger deal for Iblis? Does Iblis love that you look at a woman more so than he hates that you pray 2 rak'at to Allah? He hates that you pray 2 rak'at to Allah more than his love that you disobey by looking at a woman. True? So he said every time you pray 2 rak'at, I mean you look at a woman, pray 2 rak'at. The guy said, I'm a kind of a receptionist, a lot of women. He said, just pray 2 rak'at. The guy said, the first day I prayed like 5 times, yani 10 rak'at. The next day I prayed 8 rak'at. After that 6 rak'at, then 4, then 2. Then he said after that, before I even look, if I hear a woman coming, like I hear her voice, she's on the phone, or I hear her high heels, tuck, 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 like that, the shaitan will tell me, don't look. If you look, you have to pray 2 rak'at and just don't look. And he called the Shaykh and said, Shaykh, I don't look at all now. So the Shaykh then wrote about the 2 rak'at solution in his book. He said, then a young man read the book and he called me. He said, Shaykh, I read about your 2 rak'at solution and I used to miss Fajr. And it would make me so angry to miss Fajr. He said, one day at night, I sat up in my bed, just alone. There's nobody in my room, just like a madman. I sat up in my bed and I said out loud, Wallahi al-Azim, if I miss Fajr tomorrow, I will pray 100 rak'at. Yani he'll pray 50 times extra salah. He said Fajr came, no alarm clock, nothing. Iblis said, get up quickly, it's Fajr time.